The Pacific Alliance is a regional initiative created in 2011 by Chile, Colombia, and Mexico and Peru. Its main goal is to promote economic integration and strengthen ties with the Asia Pacific region. This is key for understanding why Colombia has developed a close relationship with South Korea. South Korea is one of Asia's most advanced economies. It is a member of the OECD and the G20 and plays a key role in global trade and innovation. These trends make it a valuable partner for Colombia's development strategy. In 2013, Colombia and South Korea signed a free trade agreement which came into effect in 2016. Since then, trade has grown significantly, reaching around 1.5 billion in 2013. The partnership now includes key sectors like agriculture, technology, and even education.
Okay, now I will talk about the free trade agreement between South Korea and Colombia. This agreement came into effect on July 15, 2016, making South Korea the first Asian country to sign an FTA with Colombia. Since then, Colombian products like coffee, flowers, coal, and ferroalloys have gained tariff benefits in South Korea. Meanwhile, South Korea has expanded its exports to Colombia, mainly in cars, construction, vehicles, and chemicals. In 2023, total trade between both countries reached $1.68 billion. South Korea exported $857 million to Colombia, while Colombia exported $855 million to South Korea. This shows a relative balanced trade relationship. The FTA has helped Colombia enter the Asian market, but it still needs to diversify its exports. To strengthen its position, Colombia must focus on exporting higher value products. This agreement has strengthened economic ties between both nations, opening new opportunities for trade and investment.
South Korea has strengthened its presence in Colombia with strategic investment in key sectors. Companies like Samsung and LG have boosted technology and electronics, while Hyundai and Kia have consolidated the automotive industry with assembly and distribution in country. But the relationship goes further. Colombia and Korea have developed joint projects in STEAM education, smart cities, and entrepreneurship, promoting innovation and technological growth. Furthermore, this link extends to culture and sustainability, from student scholarships to investment in renewable energy. South Korea continues to invest in Colombia as a strategic ally economy.
Colombia and South Korea have significant opportunities to enhance their relationship, but also face key challenges. One of the biggest challenges is cultural differences in business negotiations. Colombians are often more direct, while Koreans value caution and formality. In education, Colombia lags behind South Korea's competitive system, but there's potential for collaboration in training and technology transfer. Colombia's rich resources and growing agro-industry present opportunities, but reducing bureaucracy and improving infrastructure is key for business growth. By collaborating in research, reducing barriers to trade, and investing in infrastructure, both nations can build a more competitive future. Together, Colombia and South Korea can unlock new opportunities for growth and innovation.
The commercial relationship between South Korea and Colombia has evolved significantly in these years, driven by the pursuit of the trade agreements that strengthen the economic of both countries. Benefits for Colombia could be the access to high purchasing power market. South Korea offers a market with a great purchasing capacity, which can increase Colombian exports of agriculture and manufacturing products. Foreign investments. The relationship with South Korea can attract investments in sectors such as oil exploitation and infrastructure, and technological transfer. The FTA facilitates the technological and knowledge cooperation, improving the competitiveness of Colombian companies. And benefits for South Korea. Logical platform. Colombia can serve as a platform for expanding in South Korea trade in Latin America and the Caribbean. Access to natural resources. Colombia offers a wealth of natural resources, attractive for the South Korean investments. And market diversification. South Korea seeks to diversify its markets and reduce trade dependencies. Growth in the coming years. The first one in increasing exports. Colombian exports to South Korea are expected to increase significantly, especially in agriculture and manufactured products. The second one could be investment in strategic sectors. South Korean investment in Colombia can grow in areas such as energy, infrastructure, and technology. And the last one is strengthening in regional cooperation. The bilateral relationship can boost cooperation between Asia and Latin America, promoting the greater trade and the investment. The commercial relationship between South Korea and Colombia has a great growth potential, driven by the trade agreements and the pursuit of new investments and cooperation opportunities. This relationship can become a model for other Latin American and Asian nations. Learn about the value of the cooperation between Asia and Latin America. Understanding these relationships can open new doors for economic developments and regional cooperation. The APEC Summit at another forums provide platform to discuss and strengthen these relationships.